Hi guys, here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to run the Sawgrass Print Manager direct from Silhouette Studio using a Mac. First of all, you need to make sure that Sawgrass Print Manager is installed, and you also need to know the location of your Sawgrass Smart folder. So we just go ahead and open up Silhouette Studio, and here we have our design ready to go. As you can see, we've got the reg marks in the corners. This allows us to use the print and cut feature in the Silhouette Studio. And all we need to do to get it to print using the Sawgrass Print Manager is click the little print icon on the top left hand side of the screen, and then we just need to head down here and click where it says print. Now from here we need to just head to where it says PDF. We click this, it gives us a little drop down, and we click save as a PDF. Okay, and then we can call this whatever we want. And then we need to make sure that it's saving directly into the Sawgrass Smart folder. And then we just click save. Now there will be a little bit of a delay whilst the print manager loads up. And there you go, the Sawgrass Print Manager is now up and running. This is the first page that you'll see. This is where you can choose your substrate and your paper type. This particular setting here is the setting that you would use for our SubliJet HTV. You can also choose to mirror your image. Again, if you were using our SubliJet HTV, you would choose not to mirror your image. You can also change your layout settings, your paper sizes, change your quantities here. You can also play around with your color settings, and you can also choose to print to a file if you wish to. And that's pretty much it, guys. You just need to head down here to the bottom right and click print, and away you go. Your project should be now printing. Thanks for watching, guys.